All right, so here I am using ChatGPT to help me with some information I already largely knew. I just wanted to make sure some of it was okay and really just to help with some of the grammar and what have you. So that has to do with pasted graphics. A pasted graphic. What is a pasted graphic with relation to Adobe InDesign in Adobe InDesign files? Anyway, long story short, what you see is you cannot always trust the AI. It sounds so confident, like a slick salesperson, but right here, it says here how to identify a pasted graphic, and in InDesign they're talking about. In the links panel, it will appear as a pasted graphic rather than showing a file name or path. Oh yeah, really? Let's open InDesign and see. What we can do is I have the document here opened in FlightCheck, and I can then, for instance, click on FlightCheck. Markzware FlightCheck does see the images that have been pasted in from web browsers or from other applications. And we can go edit in InDesign, and it actually takes us right in on my other screen here. I need to resize that. So it takes us right on in, and what you're going to see, this here showed as embedded, an embedded image in FlightCheck. Well, under the links panel, oh, my links panel's over here as well. It's not showing up because if it was showing up like this one, it selects it. See, now it doesn't know what to select. These are pasted in graphics. It's not the best design practice, but people do it all the time. This one was pasted in from Affinity Publisher. Anyway, there you see a properly linked file shows up, but linked files do not. So if we believe ChatGPT, it says in the links panel it'll appear as a pasted graphic. It doesn't. I have a whole video on this over on the Markzware channel. I'll put a link below if you're interested. But in any event, when I say, hey, Nate, no, it doesn't work like that at all, so, oh, you're absolutely right. So that's really interesting, and that's why you can never trust the AI. It looks good for like 95, 99% of what it says is right, and then, like 5% of it is wrong and very wrong, and you just be leading people in the wrong direction. Not to mention, you should always be really making your own content and at least touching it up to make it your own content textually, Anyway, just a little tip. Don't trust ChatGPT. Fact check everything.
Yes, prête. Attention, feu.